Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I am planning the week of the January 22nd through the 28th in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Juniper kit from Cricut Paper Co. I love all of her stuff. The kits are so beautiful, but they are like super minimal no white space kits. Like they don't come with any deco or any functional sheets or actually any washi. They do include the glitter headers though, so you have to like bring in a lot from your own stash. So now I'm just going to start with my usual stuff, laying down my washi and my date covers and all of that. I do go in like a slightly different order this week for some of that stuff, just because I wasn't 100% sure what I wanted to do at the top. I decided to lay the date covers lined up with the top line instead of like a little higher like I used to, because I really liked how the washi at the top looked last week, and I think I wanted do that again, but I forgot to like pre-pick out what washi's go with this kit, so I end up pausing in the middle and doing that. And then as well, I am putting down my date dots, trying to remember, because I realized last week that I forgot half the week's date dots, which I actually just realized that I still did that this week again. So one week I will remember to actually put in all of the date dots. This week should be like fairly busy. I don't have like a ton of scheduled stuff, but I think there's going to be a lot going on at work, and our nanny is still on vacation for just the first 2 days of this week, and then she'll be back, thank goodness, so I can get some work done. But it's good to not have like so much stuff scheduled. And this is actually like the first week in a while I feel like I don't have any like doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, chiropractor appointments, any kind of like me appointments. Although I do really need to go to the eye doctor, so I just have to I'm gonna try and figure that out this week as well. But because I want to order a new pair of glasses before I have to go to the hospital to give birth to this baby, so that I have a pair of glasses to take with me, because my daughter actually accidentally snapped my glasses in half, but they were super old anyways, so I should really get a new pair. But anyway, I ended up using like this sort of coppery washi at the top, which I thought went with the kit super well, and I really just liked the little bit of foil accents. And then I started laying down my meal little things, but I started on this side of the week, which was kind of a mistake. And then I realized that I did the colors wrong, because there are an extra one of this darker color in this kit. So I'm going to end up pulling up the ones from later in the week so that I don't end up with any like same colors next to each other. But yeah, so that'll actually show you. So I'm going to pull these up now, and you can see how easy it is to pull up stickers from the Cricut Paper Co. kits. I mean, honestly, these stickers are like 100% removable, like as removable as washi, more removable than any other shop I ever order from. I mean, even when they say they're repositionable, sometimes you still struggle with it a little, but these are like the easiest stickers to pull up. And that's one of the things I love about this kit, especially in a week where like you feel like things are going to get moved around. They're really great kits to use. So now I'm just decided to use like this kind of green washi to mark naps and nannies, and I'm actually just going to lay this down in like kind of thicker chunks this week. I just decided to try and mix that up. I really like this washi. It's from Michael's. I bought it. It's actually from one of those giant Recollections boxes, and I got those on Black Friday when they were all like BOGO. But I was having some trouble cutting it, so I ended up just grabbing an X-Acto knife to do that. Yeah. So the washi is definitely like thicker than I needed, so I will probably end up covering some of it up during the week with like other stickers, but I thought that this matched like better than any other washi that I had, or any little washi that I had, especially on the days where the nanny isn't coming. It's definitely like way too thick to mark that, but it'll get covered with more stickers throughout. So while I'm finishing this up and starting on my sidebar, I just want to take a second to thank everyone for their support. Since the new YouTube monetization rules came out, there's just been so much love and support in the planner community for small channels, and I think that's so fantastic, and I'm just really excited. I've found so many new channels. Cindy from Llamas Love Lettering put together a whole list of planner channels that you can follow. She put together a whole playlist and included me on it, which was so nice, and brought over so many new people to my channel. I hope you guys stick around if you are new, and I will link that playlist in the description below. Definitely check some of those out. I have found so many new great people to watch, and I am just really excited to just find more people and watch Plan With Me's and all of that good stuff. So back to the sidebar. So I really ended up liking how last week turned out. So I'm going to sort of do the same thing again this week, although I did just realize I got to put my top washi down. This washi is from Target. I got this a really long time ago, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but most of my metallic washi is actually from Target. Anyway, so I just am going to do a weekly ombre for the sidebar. And I'm going to use the glitter headers in between instead of washi because these kits don't come with washi, but I actually like having the glitter on the side. And when I do it with the glitter headers, I usually stick to the same glitter header color for the whole thing to just sort of keep the flow going. So I'm going to use the weekly ombre list to track my Instagram posts. I did that last week and I ended up posting every day, so let's keep that going. And then I'm just going to do like kind of one combined to-do list. This can be stuff for work or stuff from home instead of splitting it out, because I do use my bullet journal to like have to-do lists in much more greater detail. I just find that works a little bit better for me since this is more focused on the schedule. And then I'm going to put down a full box to do word of the week. And these full boxes are squared off, but I still am going to, put the glitter headers at the bottom and the top to make sure everything lines up evenly. And the word of this week is going to be organized. We just bought a storage system for our garage and a storage office system, and we are getting that all set up, and that is why the word of the week is organized. I'm super excited about that. Anyway, so now I'm just ready to go day by day. On Monday, I have like a little meeting, and I'm sure I'm going to need some to-dos to work on while my daughter is napping. So I just decided to put a today header with a 3-heart checklist. I don't always use the headers, but the colors matched, so I just decided to do it. And yeah, so the first one is for a little meeting, and then the second two I will figure out after being at work for a little bit on Monday, or being quote unquote at work. I do work from home, so I don't actually go anywhere. I've actually worked from home for a really long time, like long before my daughter was born, and it's not for everybody, but I really, really love it, and I find that it's like the best of both worlds. Anyway, on Tuesday again, I have 2 little meetings, so I'm going to use a 3-heart checklist, and I didn't have a matching header for this one, so I just decided to put it down plain. Then on Wednesday morning, we're going to go to story time at the library as usual. I do realize I put that on super crooked, and I will fix it. I'm going to do the icons as I'm going through this week, just trying to mix it up a little. And I am going to put down a Once More with Love munchkin and fix that little scallop box so that it's straight. I love these little reading with mom munchkins. I just think they're so cute. I know I'm gonna run out of them so fast because I use them like all the time. Then on Thursday afternoon, I just have another little meeting, but I'm just gonna use a box for that. Oops, sorry, on Wednesday afternoon that is. But I'm just gonna use a box for that because I don't have anything else, and I wasn't sure. But anyway, I just grabbed a pink one and then realized that was too much pink, so I grabbed a gray one instead. So that's it for this half of the week. I'm going to fight with that sticker for a second. I started getting the S&S manicures, and I absolutely love them, and your nails last for like ever, but I do find that like the additional thickness on your nail makes it really hard for me to pull up stickers the same way that I used to, so I have to use some tools to help out with that. Anyway, flipping over to Thursday. Thursdays are always my super busy day. We have, as usual, the cleaning people in the morning. So grateful for them. Honestly, like, especially being super pregnant, having a toddler, just love having someone professionally clean your house once a week if you can afford it, or every other week if you can afford it, is just like an amazing lifestyle choice. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about that. So then we have swim class. So I'm putting down another scallop box for that because I like to use the scallops for my daughter's fun activities. And then I'm going to grab a Scribble Prints Co. mermaid dino to mark that, as I usually do. And I actually got a grab bag of dinos because they are being discontinued, and it had another mermaid dino sheet in there, and I was so excited. Then I also just put down a little $ icon just to remember that I have to pay the swim instructor this week, for our next set of classes. Then Thursday afternoon, I have a bunch of meetings. Thank goodness Nanny is coming back to work. So I just put down a today header and then another 3-heart checklist, just some regular operational team type meetings, etc. And hopefully getting some work done. And yeah. So just trying to fuss with that sticker to get it lined up straight. I drive myself crazy sometimes trying to line them up all straight, and I actually usually cut a lot of the straightening of stickers out of it. There is a lot more that goes on behind the scenes. Are you really crazy with how you put down your stickers? Do you have to try and get them perfect? If so, let me know in the comments below. Any strategies for getting them on straight the first time? Definitely let me know. So then on Friday, I have another training session that I'm teaching at work. So I just put down a big half box for that. And I am going to add in a little bit of dinos and munchkins to just mark that. I was just feeling a little fancy. So I put down a dino for my little meetings and Once More with Love munchkin with a laptop for my training. Then I'm also going to put down my 31-week stickers. I have to tell you, I was really feeling the pregnancy baby vibe this week. My husband and I finally agreed on a name, which I'm not going to share, but I'm really excited. And I've just been super into all things baby and pregnancy since that happened. I just feel super happy and excited having that done, having that taken care of. We're still trying to think of a middle name, but the first name is fixed or set up, so I'm really happy about that and decided to go a little crazier than usual with the deco and stickers for marking my weeks. So these little elephants and then the little rattle that I'm going to grab after are from the Erin Condren pregnancy petite planner sticker series. I don't have the pregnancy planner. I just have the sticker sheets. The sticker sheets are so cute, and they do have a little bit of foiling on them. I absolutely love them, but I didn't really love the pregnancy planner. It was a little too practical for me and not really something I needed. Anyway, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put down my weekend banner, and I just decided to use some more of that washi that I use for the naps and nannies to go ahead and, put the background down on that. I really love the weekend banners from Cricut Paper Co. They always have a cute pattern behind them, so you could put them down in white space if you wanted, but it's not too much. And then the script, I don't know, I just really love her weekend banners. I'm not sure why, but they're super, super cute. So I ended up putting down quite a bit of this washi because I wanted it fully behind. But that's okay. I don't need as much space on the weekends. We don't really schedule that much, and I actually end up using the weekends. I end up filling them out at kind of the end of the day with all the things we did, etc. So it's not, it's not the same. It doesn't serve the same functionality that it does during the week. So there's no double box in this kit. So I'm going to put down 2 full boxes. I put one at the bottom and one at the top. I just grabbed some of my favorite full boxes from the kits. Love the books and love the mail. Mail is probably appropriate. Anyway, I've just been getting so much happy mail lately because I can't stop buying things on Etsy. But yeah, so that is it for this week. So I really love how this is turning out. I think it looks so cute. I'm going to turn the camera off and fill everything out. Okay, so that is everything all filled out. All of the writing I did was with a Sharpie because I didn't write anything in the planner yet, just on the stickers. And the Cricut Paper Co kits, you absolutely have to use a Sharpie on the stickers. Although my white Uniball does work on the dark stickers as well. most of the stuff's from the kit. The washi, the green washi is from Michaels, and the metallic washi is from Target. The dinos and the vacuum are from Scribble Prints Co., and the munchkins are from Once More with Love. And that is everything. Stay tuned to my Instagram if you want to see how this turns out at My Crafty Plans. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.